Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to speed up iCloud backup. Let's start. First of all, go to Settings, select your iCloud account, tap on iCloud. First of all, make sure you have enough space for the new backup. How to do it? Look, my iCloud used 3 GB out of 5. This means that less than 2 GB are available. Now let's go to the Manage Storage section. Next, select the Backups item, choose your device. Next, backup size is loading. Wait please. The new backup is about 9 GB. At best, the iPhone will notify us that there is not enough space, and in the worst case, creating a new backup will take forever. What to do? First, return to Backups, return to iCloud Storage, and in my case, I can change storage plan to add more storage to keep everything in iCloud. In order not to buy more space, you can delete your old backup. Go to Backups, next select your device and tap on Delete Backup. But even if there is enough space, loading a large backup can take a long time. The second way is to reduce the amount of backup data. To do this, you can disable some backup applications. Confirm, turn off and delete. To disable more apps, tap Show All Apps. Here you can also see that the Photo Library app takes up the most space. Go to Photos app and delete big videos. Next, go to Albums, scroll down, open Recently Deleted, tap on Select at the top right of the screen and tap on Delete All at the bottom left of the screen. Confirm, delete video or videos in your case. After that, the size of the backup will become smaller. If you feel sorry for deleting videos and photos, you can save a large backup to your computer. Follow the link in the description to find out how. Once you have minimized your backup as much as possible, make sure you have a fast internet connection. Go to Settings and turn on the Wi-Fi connection. If you only have mobile internet, tap on Cellular, next Cellular Data Options, Voice and Data, and check that the fastest possible connection is connected. In my case, it is LTE. In your case, it could be 5G as well. Then connect your iPhone to the charger. This is necessary so that the iPhone doesn't slow down the backup process due to lack of sufficient charge. Now that all the steps are done, let's start the backup. Go to Settings, select your iCloud, tap on iCloud, choose iCloud Backup and tap on Backup Now. Data from some applications aren't included in this backup. Continue. In my case, there is still not enough available storage, but you should be fine. I believe in you. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, see you next time.